Cloning any website isn't difficult. There are so many reasons you might want to clone a site, and today I'll be showing you how to clone any website of your choice using this ScrapyDaemon software. So initially you would use tools like HTTP tracks and other tools out there to clone the site, but cloning the site with those other softwares might be very tedious. They won't get you your files well arranged, but with ScrapyDaemon you can clone and then you just put your site online. And if you might want to, you can make just a very few edits and then you're good to go. So here in this folder, I've downloaded the website, the software, and then I moved the software into this folder called my website. So to download the software, you can easily get it from Save Jobs. You can go to from Sourceres. You can go to sourceres.com and then you go to products, and then this is it. It's free. You can just download it and then you start making use of it. If you're downloading the software for the very first time, after you launch, it might require access. You see a number there. You can send a message on WhatsApp, and then I'll give you access for free. So after downloading the software, you just launch it, and then you wait a few seconds, and everything should be good to go after you've been granted access. Okay, so the beauty of ScrapyDaemon is, as a Laravel developer, you can clone a website and it will get to your files, and it will get your refs and all of your links well arranged. Okay, both for Django developers, Flask developers, and even if you're Node.js developers, other kind of projects. So today I'll be scraping a Dureka. So we do this together and then we'll see what this looks like. So let's assume you have no prior knowledge of web development, or you're just getting started, so you're choosing others. Okay, so here I'm assuming you're not any of these developers listed here. So for your CSS files, I just want to get this saved into the CSS path. I want the file named CSS to be curated. And for the very first time when you launch the software, you have this README file auto-generated where you can as well learn about it, and also a log file for all of the error logs. Okay, so I would want the JS files to get saved into a JS folder, and images, I'll just want an images folder to be created in this my website folder where the software is located. And then for documents, I'll just leave this blank. So the HTMLs, the documents here are the HTMLs. I just want them saved directly to this page as an absolute beginner that I assumed I am. Okay, so you would create a file, a TXT file, and then you put in all of the parts you want to scrape from the host website. So in our case now, I'll be scraping a Dureka. So the parts I want to get, that is the pages. I'll be getting this corporate training page. I'll be getting the about views or website, and then the first page here is just /, which is the roots, the home page. Okay, if the home page is something like maybe edureka.co /en us, like most website does, you can as well specify that way. But for Edureka here, the homepage is just this. So you use / and then all courses, and you can check out these pages. And then of course you can also test out to scrape any website of your choice. Okay, so back to the software. I already created this file, so I'll be moving this file to my website, and here it is. And then I'll just specify edureka.txt, and that's the text file. So wait a few seconds, and for the base URL, of course, https /edureka.co, and then that's it. You just wait for it to get started. And of course, I'll just want to keep this folder open so you see all of the operations in real time. Okay, so right now it's getting the CSS files, and then JS files, and then those folders have been automatically created. And then the first page is done, and you can see it started scraping on the first page, the forward slash. And let's save this as index.html. Okay, so the second page starts, which is this all courses. So right now it's getting the all courses pages with the files and images and everything in that page. So again, you wait for the second path in the record.txt file to run, and that's it. And I can save this all courses. I mean, you can save this anything you like. So all courses.html. Okay, so you wait for the next part again, like so, and just hold on and wait for it. Okay. Okay. So it's very simple, and this is the CSS files gotten, and these are the images. Actually, these are the images downloaded, and you can see more coming. You can see the images coming in, and then these are the JS files so far that we've gotten. Okay, so this is the index page, this is the all courses page. I can inspect this with let's inspect this with let me inspect this with VS Code. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, you can see this as well in form. Okay, everything is intact. Okay, so okay, I'll be stopping this video here so I can make another. I can talk about scraping for a Laravel developer. And okay, this file is over, so let's save this as corporate. And if you've forgotten what part was being scraped, you can always look right here to see just finished scraping the part name, so you know what to save it. And of course, you can also save it into a folder. Let's say some folder or some folder name / the documents.html, and then this folder name would be automatically created. Okay, let me just hit enter there, and of course you can see this in action. So I'll just hit Ctrl C to get this program terminated. So let's test out to see if this really worked. And of course it indeed worked, and you can see this is from my so we also check out the second page here, all courses. So let me just grab this here. Oh, what did I say it? All courses.html. Sorry, HTML. Of course, yeah, that's it. Okay, so if you are a Laravel developer, you can move this you can move this software to your Laravel directory. So for example, this is a Laravel project right here, and then you can move the software to somewhere here, and then you again, as a Laravel developer, I'll just pick one for the Laravel project, and then I would like my CSS files to get saved into public assets CSS. Okay, let's say CSS. And then for JS, I'll do something similar, and then I'll also do something similar for images, except that for the documents, I would like them to get saved to resource views and Same thing here with the reka.txt. So before I get started, I would like these other folders to be deleted. So I'll just go ahead and delete this. Okay, I'll delete all of this. I'll delete this, and then I'll also delete this right here. Okay, so we hit enter, and you wait, and then you provide the host name as expected. Okay, so let's wait for this. Okay, so the CSS files are now being grabbed, and then the public. So in your Laravel project, so in this project, in the public directory, inside the assets folders, inside the asset folder, your CSS files will get stored into the CSS folder. So of course I'll save this as index.blade.php. Okay, so wait for the next one, and like so. So I'll end this program here, so we view the file and see what it looks like. So I'll just hit Ctrl+C, and that's closed, and public assets, CSS, and everything is intact. So let's check out the index.blade.php file. Wow, so I just want to show you guys a little thing here. I want to show you guys something here. Okay. If you take a look at this XRC here for the script, the source, it is already preset to follow the Laravel pattern. So it is getting saved into the assets folders in the public path. So when you use this assets function global method provided by Laravel, it's check for folders and files inside the public directory. Okay, so you can see everything is intact in place, and for images also it is well organized. Everything is entirely organized. So that's the advantage of making use of this ScrapyDaemon. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video and you need things like this to keep coming, you can subscribe or not subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.